Okay, come on, Rusty. Rusty's a very funny boy. He just notice how he likes to walk right next to me. Right next to me. He doesn't like to walk in front. He just likes to walk right next to me because we're such good mates. And when I stop walking, he stops walking. Come on, Rusty. That's it. Right next to my right leg. Come on, Rusty. Come on. That's it. He's very dog. Oh, there we go. So he's opening up. He didn't get out for 7 days in a row. He was stuck in his kennel for 7 whole days. But he's feeling better now. But he's still he just likes to stay right next to me. He just likes to stay right next to me. Oh, there we go. There we go, Rusty. See? You can walk by yourself a little bit. That's it, mate. Good boy, Rusty. You're a good boy.